needed to know and keep our ears to the ground of what consumers were saying. And at that point in time, we did realize that world was not as simple as we thought it would. Cinemas will open and people will come, maybe not. Because people had this ingrained fear in them, a few questions in them to say, is it safe? And however much we kept saying that we had double, triple ceiling heights, the government protocols are such that you're leaving a seat in between, people said, no, this wasn't enough. And we started to look around and said, we need a solution. We need to go far beyond the protocols as set by the government and get the confidence back. So the only motto was get the consumer back and understand that if he has a fear, it's real and that needs to be dealt with. And at that juncture, my dear friend Kapil came up with this great innovation called the Wolf Air, backed by the company. And we had series of meetings, and our own engineering team must have spent several days just testing the product. We went to many labs, got everything tested, and what we realized was we truly have a winner at hand. And it just honestly didn't take much from convincing to the management to say, here's a product that really does the job, and we believe that once we've crossed that barrier of the government-laid protocols and we install these machines, consumer will come back because it is genuinely a product that gives you 100% safety. Technically, you're not even supposed to wear a mask, but if you do, as stipulated by the government, we will always go with that norm. And we are truly delighted that today when I do this press conference, about 60% of the entire circuit of PVR has already got this installation. And by 15th of December, the entire circuit, every auditorium, 855 auditorium across the country will have this installed. And we really believe that this would be a great confidence booster for consumers to get back to cinema. So this is our little big step, I would say, towards getting the audiences back to cinema in a big way. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I think I would breathe easy and I'll be happier to bring my friends and family to PVR because of this. Could I request Mr. Kapil Agarwal, Joint Managing Director, UFO Movies, to tell us a little bit about the UFO PVR partnership?
Hi, thank you. So PVR UFO partnership is not new. In fact, PVR has always been, you see, UFO is a technology company, and we introduced digital cinema in India. We were the first company in the world to start downloading movies into theaters via satellite in 2005. And even today, when we speak in 2021, end of 2021, we are the only company in the world which has the ability to download all movies via satellite into theaters. So 16 years, nobody has actually come up. PVR has always been in the forefront of adopting technology. When we introduced the DCI cinema system, and which was very, very expensive, 2011 or so, everybody was experimenting with the different models, analog, other formats of digital. And when I came to Gotham and I discussed with PVR, they became the first national chain in India who decided that we will go 100% digital with DCI technology in 2011. And we got associated. The first 500 screens, I'm so proud to say, was actually UFO and PVR partnership. We did all the digital. When we developed a solution for showering the advertising into theaters for our own use, because we have our own more than 5,000 screens, PVR said, I want this solution. So whenever we came up with any technology solution, they were the first one to adopt it. Early this year, I think 4 months back, there was no business, all theaters were shut down, our company was shut down, all businesses were down. And we were looking for new businesses, new technologies, being a technology company. And that is when I got introduced to Wolf Air mask. And I heard this, something, negative ions, which I had never heard about. This small device emits trillions of negative ions in the atmosphere, which get stuck, which you saw in the video, to any kind of microbe, any virus, anything. And so any air purifier, any purification system just cleans the air, but it does not kill the viruses. And today when we are sitting in this auditorium is equipped with this thing, and we are absolutely virus free. So when I got introduced to this, instantly my instinct said, this is for Gotham, this is for PVR. And sure enough, I flew to Delhi, I walked into his room. No, sorry, I called him first. And still faith that you have imposed in us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for initiating this innovation. I now request Mr. Sujesh Sugunan, Chairman and CEO, All About Innovations, to talk about the technology behind this revolutionary product.
Thank you very much. First of all, thank you, sir. From All About Innovation, we are a company, we are a science-based company based in India, in Kerala. Okay, and we have got a couple of scientists and other people working with us. Okay. If you're I'm supposed to talk about the technology here, but before that, you're installing it in PVR was an experience for us, and that has helped us create the product in such a way that, the kind of questions which was thrown to our scientists, especially Boniface Gasper and Lin Shad Latif and all the people, it was like a very huge challenge for us to come up with all the kind of solutions on a daily basis for 3 months, which has actually helped us to refine the product to this level. Okay, thank you very much for that. So our scientists, from my guys, even Boniface Gasper or Lin Shad, they used to tell me earlier, why PVR is being so picky when the product is already tested with ICMR approved lab, which is showing a 99% efficacy. Okay, so, but then again, the consistency your team has shown in proving the technology and bringing the lab to the theaters and all this stuff, it has helped us a lot. So our team built the confidence from the kind of input your team, especially, Kapil sir was also there all the time, in our head, whatever question your team was giving him, he made sure that we are addressing it properly without any doubts. Okay, so coming back to the technology, the technology is not a new technology at all. This is a very sustainable technology which is there in the world for centuries, you can say. Negative ions are the cleaning agents of the Earth itself, our planet. If you look around you, you will find negative ions near waterfalls. That is why you feel fresh when you go near a waterfall or a mountain or a lush green forest and stuff like that. When you go there, you will see that you become pleasant and that air is so beautiful and all stuff. That is just because of the presence of negative ions. There is nature's way of balancing the things, cleaning everything, the process and all this stuff. What we did here is, during the pandemic, we wanted a sustainable solution. And All About Innovations is all about sustainability advantage. Okay, so we wanted a sustainable solution where you are not going to consume any material or produce any wastage and stuff like that, because these machines does not need any filtration or anything like that. This is only thrusting trillions of negative ions using a technology called needle point plasma ionization. Okay, if you just Google it out, you will find that. That's also not a new technology. We designed it in such a way that it can bring out trillions of negative ions. The technology was in the world from 1800s onwards, so that was there. So from the scientist community or scientist viewpoint, what we or our scientists have done is, we had in fact taken the product or the earth or the atmosphere, the forest into your place, that is what we are doing here. So what do you call it? It is just bringing the nature inside your place without making any kind of damage to your atmosphere. Okay, after installing this product, you will see that the seats are all clean. Okay, there won't be any fungus or anything like that. And the environment and everything is perfectly done without causing any or without consuming any consumables like filters or any other consumables. And the machine can go up to like 60,000, 70,000 hours easily. So this is a technology which is going to remain, and you will see more negative ions and the more manufacturers coming into the play later on. We are only the pioneers in this field, and we hope that there are more people coming into the picture with more new products and stuff like that, because we need more product to be in the market.